Alright guys, back up here, right where our store is at, actually a few blocks over. Luisa is talking to the carpenter right now to set up something to build some shelves. But I'm standing here and I'm looking at, we had talked about putting in a little fish tank, doing fish and everything like that. And I'm actually standing here checking out this one fish tank here. Let me show you quick here how it's done, or how they have it set up. They have their tank here. They got, of course, the tilapia in there and water running. And then here's the grill they have set up. Like I was saying to Luisa, you do something like this, this has to run 24/7. I think. I could be wrong, but I would think it has to run 24/7, the water. And so you got to figure in how much electric are you going to use up running and keeping something like this up and running. I'm sure you figure in everything with your price and what you're going to sell it for. You know, what you're going to sell the fish for, and kind of figure in, you know, price wise, you know, what you're going to use up in electric. But they have their bags of pole here, and there's the grill set up and ready to run, and then there's the prep station right there, and they also have a little sorry store. So our carpenter there getting measurements. Landlord actually has this right here, this rice stand here, and we're looking to sell rice in here. So, but he gave us a price, and we're going to get a price from the carpenter to find out how much it actually costs to build. Go from there. If carpenter can build it cheaper, we'll go with him. If not, we'll buy this one from the landlord. And came in here and he put plywood up over the door here, so we're good to go here.
Hindi kasi may in-order ko ng stand eh. Sige. Kasi dito yun siya. Tapos ito, yun nga sabi ko
All right, landlord's here with the contract. And Luisa's signing the contract for the place.
Okay. Thank you.
And just like that, with the swipe of the pen, Lut is in business. All right, so this is what the guy wanted to charge for the type of work he was going to do. Right here you can see all this right here. Luisa's going to put shelves here on this wall. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, or 4 shelves going across this area here. This here is no good. It's too flimsy. It wasn't made properly, and it'll fall apart. And then I think she was going to go with some type of table right here coming off the sink area. And the carpenter told her a package deal. So what the package deal was to do all that, and he was saying 3 days labor to do all that. And we had to buy the material. He wrote everything down that we would need, and he said he wanted 4,000 pesos for 3 days of work. Well, no. We know for a fact that you're looking at maybe 500 pesos a day, plus you provide a meal. So something like that should have only cost maybe 1,500 pesos plus then material. So the hunt for a carpenter continues. We actually have another guy we're going to go with. Our friend here, she knows the carpenter. He's just real busy right now. So it's a matter of just him finding time, coming up here and giving us a price. But yeah, 4,000 pesos is it's too much. It's too expensive. You know, you're looking at $100, roughly about $80 for 3 days worth of work. And Luisa told him no, that was too much, and he just kind of like walked away. And it's amazing because instead of coming down on a price to make money, he chose not to even make a penny. So anyways, that's just the way it goes, and we're not going to jump in anything really quick when it comes to certain things. We'll take our time, we'll find the best deal. This isn't my first day here in the Philippines, and definitely not Luisa's first day here in the Philippines. And we'll just continue to move ahead with our project here and continue on with everything. But all right, I don't know what we're doing. I'm sure we're going to do something. So continues. All right, guys, back from over at the store, and what I find funny is now this carpenter guy, he actually knew the other day when we were over there that we were getting the store, and we were, setting up a little store and everything like that. So he actually knew that a foreigner was involved. And the thing is, he himself has a little sorry store down the road, and he sells tilapia and everything like that. And he looked at us, I guess, as competition to him. So he knew coming in, he was already going to overprice me. And that's why I was kind of there, because I was informed by Luisa's friend that he knew we were already going to be in there. And so yeah, that 4,000 peso, that was a foreigner's price. The other carpenter guy, Luisa's friend, knows very well, and he's not going to, he's very busy right now, and so that means he does a good job. And we're going to go with that guy and get a price from him. And we know for a fact it won't be no 4,000 pesos. But yeah, one of the things I don't understand is a person will turn down work here instead of just lowering their price. I mean, they already know they're overcharging because of, me being a foreigner. And instead of lowering the price and, getting the business, they just won't take the business. Kind of mind-blowing, but maybe they think we have, these magic trees in our backyards, and we just pluck the money off of it, and we have plenty of money to go around. But like I said, we'll take our time on a lot of things, and we're going to get the best price we can. So anyways, guys, I'll be filming for sure the other quote from the other carpenter, and we'll compare prices. So all right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. If you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. Like, share, dislike, choice is yours. Leave the comments below, and the journey continues.